Escape Kit is an at-home escape room concept to entertain children, teenagers, and adults alike. Transform your home by discovering the world of Harry Potter or superheroes, following the footsteps of Arsène Lupin, or become one of the famous thieves from Money Heist. How does it work? Just print it out, install it, and everything is displayed in the setup guide, and then you will live an unforgettable adventure for 1 hour. What does the kit contain? A setup guide, clues and solutions guide, printing guide, several puzzles to manipulate, and even 3D puzzles for a greater immersion. There are also many accessories, such as diplomas, invitations, perfect for a birthday party. Finally, you will find a background music and a countdown for each game. Escape Kit wishes you a great adventure.